My brother has a secret compartment in his ceiling. Cruz, you're gonna be showing me how to get in there. Yeah, he's like, did he see us? Okay, wait, let's see. What was he doing on this computer? Okay, you climb up there, and then I'm gonna go get water, and I'm gonna hand it to you. So now what? We just hang out in here? Shh, what the? Get back. Read my book. Okay! No! Splink, it was Cruz's idea. What?